What's up, guys? Got my 93 or 92, can't remember, S10, little square body. So we got her in here, got her back, got all the crap out of the bed. My phone was all messed up, couldn't get a video for y'all. So we're going to do a quick thing of we're going to rip out this carpet. Let's get into it. All right, we got the ugly soaked original carpet out. I ordered a new one a couple days ago online, so I'll get that in there. It's going to be black this time. Going through it, definitely going to need some love on some fronts, and I saw where these holes were for if it was a manual, which it's getting manual swapped. And yeah, so we're just going to keep banging along and start ripping stuff out, but that'd be all for today.